Hello, this is Brian from Toyota Overlanders, and we have another unboxing to do. This is a new product. It was just sent to us by Lensun Solar, so let's check it out. So this is a portable. It's a 200 watt solar panel. Let's see, 200 watt, 36 volt portable folding, ultralight folding solar panel. It actually comes in at about 13 pounds, which is really nice. Fairly lightweight there. Let's see what other. It's made up of four individual solar panels that are 50 watts each, and included in the little front case here there is a 16-foot cable, and it comes with all kinds of little attachments there, but it has the latest. It's a PRC 9BB monocrystalline high efficiency solar panel. So let's see what else you get in the kit here. I'm going to put this down, open her up. Handy little information guide, which is nice. So our main cable here, 16 feet long. We have two connectors. First connector there, and then you have your standard connector there. See what else we have. Two other adapters. So that's really nice there. We're gonna have do some testing on this when we go on our next trip, and set it up and show you all how it works and how efficient it is and what we're using to power off of this. So thanks for watching, and check out our next video on the testing of this Lensun Solar portable 200 watt. Thank you.